Buying your first stock might sound intimidating, but trust me, it's way easier than you think. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to buy your very first stock, step by step. No complicated jargon, no confusing apps, just a simple, clear path to start your investing journey today. Step 1. Set up a demat and trading account. First things first, you need a demat and trading account. Think of it like your bank account for stocks. In India, the most trusted platforms are Zerodha, Groww, Upstox, and Angel One. If you're in the US, go with apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. Signing up takes just a few minutes and usually requires your PAN card, Aadhaar, and a quick KYC verification. Step 2. Fund your account. Once your account is active, the next step is to add funds. This works just like transferring money to your digital wallet or UPI app. Simply go to the Add Funds section, enter the amount you want to invest, and pay through UPI, net banking, or your linked bank account. Start small. Even 500 rupees or $10 is good to begin with. Step 3. Choose your first stock wisely. Now the fun begins, choosing your first stock. Don't chase the trending ones. Instead, look at companies you trust and already use, like TCS, Infosys, HDFC in India, or Apple, Google, and Amazon in the US. Stick to large-cap, stable companies. Read about their past performance, reputation, and basic fundamentals. A simple Google search or using apps like TickerTape or Yahoo Finance can give you a snapshot of the stock's history. Step 4. Placing the order. Ready to invest? Go to the app. Type the stock name in the search bar. Select the stock and hit the buy button. Now choose how many shares you want to buy. For order type, you'll mostly use market order. It buys the stock at the current price. If you want to wait for a specific price, use limit order. Review the order and boom, you're now officially a stockholder. Step 5. After buying, what's next? After the purchase, your stock will appear in your portfolio. This means you now own a piece of that company. You can watch its price daily, weekly, or just check occasionally. Don't panic if it goes up or down. Investing is a long-term game. Some stocks also give you dividends, extra money just for holding them. Pro tips for first-time stock buyers. Here are some quick tips to keep in mind. Always start with small amounts. Never invest based on hype. Research the business before you buy. Avoid emotional decisions. Track your investments weekly, not hourly. Most importantly, be consistent. Don't expect to become rich overnight. Subscribe our channel for future investment guidance. Drop a comment if you have any query.